and welcome back to the Oven Cook. What we're going to do today is a nice cheese and tomato flatbread pizza with chicken, bacon, put some chorizo and some mushrooms and tomatoes and onions. So we'll crack on and get the bacon going. A little bit of fry light to get it going. Into the same pan, our chicken. Okay, so what we've got for this, we've got chorizo, bacon, sweet red pepper, sweet yellow pepper, chicken, mushrooms and red onion. So I'm going to put this to one side. Get our flatbread. Get a roller. Some passata. Mozzarella, loading it up, some bacon, peppers, there's a chicken, chorizo, mushroom, scatter a bit of onion on top. Mozzarella on top. And lastly, tarragon. So we'll get that in the oven with some chips, have a little bit of salad with it, and we'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, so there we go. We've got our flatbread, cheese and tomato pizza. The actual flatbread is, with chicken, bacon, chorizo, onion, mushroom, mozzarella and tarragon. Get our chips with some spray light oil and some Italian seasoning, a little bit of leafy salad, some tomatoes, some olives, and with a little bit of vinaigrette dressing over the top, a bit of black pepper and a bit of salt. So thank you very much for watching. These bases are really good for obviously pizza bases, so I'm going to enjoy this one. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. See you later guys, take it easy.